আসসালামু আলাইকুম। এখন আমরা আলোচনা করছি ক্যামব্রিজ বুক 12 টেস্ট 2 স্পিকিং পার্ট 1 কোশ্চেন অ্যান্ড অ্যান্সার। প্রথম যে প্রশ্নটি আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি সেটি হচ্ছে ডিড ইউ এনজয় সিঙ্গিং ওয়েন ইউ ওয়ার ইয়ঙ্গার, ওয়াই ওর ওয়াই নট? Yes, I enjoyed singing a lot when I was younger. Music holds a special place in our culture, and singing is a cherished form of expressions. From traditional folk song to modern melodies, music permeates every aspect of our lives. As a child, I found joy and comfort in singing along to popular songs on the radio or joining friends and family in impromptu singing sessions during festivals and gatherings. It was a way for me to connect with others and express myself creatively. আমাদের দ্বিতীয় প্রশ্নটি হচ্ছে হাউ অফেন ডু ইউ সিং নাও and why? Nowadays, I sing occasionally, mostly during special occasions or when I am in relaxed and joyful mood. Singing helps me unwind, uplift my spirits, and allows me to express emotions that words alone cannot convey. It's a therapeutic activity that brings me closer to my cultural roots and provides a sense of connection to the rich musical heritage of Bangladesh. তৃতীয় নম্বর প্রশ্নটি হচ্ছে ডু ইউ হ্যাভ আ ফেভারিট সং ইউ লাইক লিসেনিং টু, ওয়াই ওর ওয়াই নট? Yes, I do have a favorite song that I enjoy listening to. It's a Bengali folk song called Bromor Koyo Gia, which holds a special place in my heart. This song resonates with me because of its soothing melody, meaningful lyrics, and the nostalgia it evokes. Whenever I listen to this song, it transports me back to my childhood, reminding me of fond memories spent with family and friends. Moreover, the song captures the essence of Bengali culture and traditions, making it a timeless piece of art that I deeply appreciate and cherish. চতুর্থ নম্বর প্রশ্নটি হচ্ছে হাউ ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট ইজ সিঙ্গিং ইন ইউর কালচার অ্যান্ড ওয়াই? Singing holds immense importance in Bangladeshi culture and is deeply intertwined with our traditions, customs, and daily life. From birth celebration to weddings, religious ceremonies to social gatherings, singing plays a central role in fostering community bonds and preserving our cultural heritage. Music is considered a universal language that transcends barriers of language and ethnicity, uniting people from diverse backgrounds in shared experience of joy, sorrow, and celebration. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and like our video.